Lights, Camera, Action mein we have two amazing personalities, and I have actually seen one of them around quite often ever since I've moved back. I see her at events, and it's great to see that her journey has gotten her so far. She is Amtul Babaja. I got so carried away. She's a director, a producer, content creator, and a co-founder of Patangir and production house P Square. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Good.
Very good.
And we have another guest on the show. She's also quite phenomenal, and she's really vibing today on set today as well. Almitra Mawalwala. She's an international Persian, Pakistani performing artist, writer, and composer. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you.
How are you girls doing?
Great.
Very
nice
good.
And fresh in the
Very
morning. So हम लोग आज खास मिले हैं Blacklisted के लिए, जो कि basically एक one-woman musical play है, which is I think the first of the kind in Pakistan. Is it? Is the first of it?
Not first, because I think एक या दो हुए होंगे.
One woman हुए?
Just one actually, from what I remember, like long time ago. So it's like something very unique happening after a very long time.
Right.
After a very long time.
Bringing it back.
Exactly.
And I'd love to tell the audience a little about it, कि ताकि जब हम इसके बारे में बात करें तो ज़्यादा आसान हो. It is actually an autobiography. It's about her life, and she was 19 when she moved away to follow her dreams, कि वो theatre में जाएं, music में जाएं, और इस तरह की चीज़ों के अंदर participate करें. But what was stopping her? It was a Pakistani passport, and it was Canada. और ये किस तरह trials and tribulations मिलती हैं, किस तरीके से इनकी खुद की ज़िंदगी turn होती है with the rejected visas, and it's basically a really interesting story about how she returns home, she returns to herself, and home is not just a place, I'm assuming over here, it's finding yourself again as well, right?
Exactly.
So absolutely, तो एक बहुत ही heartwarming tale of borders है, and I'd love to hear about it from them. What's interesting, I'd love to add, is the music aspect of it. I think music can really make or break a play, and considering it musical है, I love how they have actually incorporated Queen, Eagles, Hamilton, and South Asian feels भी दी हुई हैं with the sitar and everything. So I would really love to see how music really transports us through all of these emotions as well. Now I think I'm done ranting. So I'm going to ask you guys. So I think I'm going to ask you guys. Achha, so what really motivated you, Amtul, first question for you, to actually produce a show like this?
Honestly, it was Almitra. Okay, like we've known each other for so many years, and she also is from the theatre industry. I used to do theatre back in the day as well. This is like back in like 2015, 2014.
Achha.
And we just connected over theatre, art, acting, all of that. And then, as you know, in the play, she moves away.
Yeah.
And then when she came back, we reconnected.
Yeah.
And honestly, her story was so true and honest and unique. And we just met over breakfast, over a cup of coffee, and I was like, okay, let's do it. I loved it.
Yeah.
It's honestly, like, I'm so proud of her, and I'm so inspired by her play. And I think, honestly, that's what just convinced me, because women working together
is amazing.
I love working with women,
course.
whatever capacity it is, whether I'm acting with them, doing comedy with them, producing, directing. I'm like, I just want to work with like-minded women.
Good vibes.
So yeah, good vibes, exactly.
Yeah.
I was like, okay, let's do this.
So Almitra, I would love to ask you about your journey, but if I do, I'd probably give the play away, right?
Yes. Slightly.
So tell us.
I'll get the backstory.
So tell us the backstory and what inspired you कि ये play बने, and why would you think play? लोग अक्सर अपनी stories पे किताबें लिख रहे होते हैं. Probably you'll see me write a book one day. And why and how is it कि you felt that call towards arts and theatre?
Yeah, sure. I think art has just always been part of my life.
Great.
Since, like, I've been a child. I started writing music when I was much younger.
Wow.
Picked up the piano when I was 11.
Wow.
Wrote lyrics when I was 8.
Wow.
They will never see the light of day.
Oh wow! No, I mean I'm hoping next you're directing a music video and a song for her too.
Yeah. That's actually
on the table. Yeah.
I need energy.
It's on the list of things to do. But like, music has just always been part of me, and then I used to love being on stage, been on stage for all of my plays and stuff. Then we did Grease.
Yeah.
Oh really?
Yeah, but it was interesting because we did it separately. Because Grease happened twice. So in one of the runs, she was in the play, and in the second run, I was there.
Oh, how lovely!
Yeah, that's how we connected.
Already experience रह चुका है इसके साथ, right? Yeah. Okay, so we were actually talking about your journey before going for break. तो आप थोड़ा सा हमें बताओ, how is it that it inspired you to do this?
Yeah, sure.
Telling, yeah.
So 2017. 2017. Actually, I'll come a little bit before that. 2015, I left Pele to do a degree in special effects makeup. Yeah.
Nice.
US में. और फिर I came back for a year, spent some time here, and then I was like, मुझे कुछ करना है. Like, I have to do something in either music or theatre. And then फिर I went to Australia. Australia जाके I did my bachelor in music.
Oh, nice.
Music
Interesting.
theatre.
Huh. So we got the makeup, we got the music.
Yeah, we got the music, we got the theatre. But that I really, and I say this to a lot of people, I cannot imagine doing anything else with my life.
That's amazing. I'm so glad you found your calling.
Yeah.
And I think one can see that with the passion in your eyes, with the way you speak, right? So that's amazing. And आप मुझे बता रही थी कि 6 दफ़ा कनाडा का वीज़ा रिजेक्ट हुआ है.
जी.
And
So
the
butt of the
that.
the butt of the joke जब मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया में थी, तो the 6th time मैंने वहाँ से अप्लाई किया था. And my first cousin, उसकी शादी हो रही थी. मैंने कहा चले. I was like, why?
But maybe because उनको पता तो नहीं था कि अगर वो रिजेक्ट करते रहेंगे तो ये लड़की एक दिन प्ले बना लेगी इस पे.
Yeah,
everything in life happens for a reason.
The 6th time, I literally, and it's so vivid in my brain, कि मैं स्कूल में थी और मेरा 6ठी टाइम जब रिजेक्ट हुआ है वीज़ा, मुझे कोई फर्क भी नहीं पड़ा. I was like,
But बहुत बड़ी बात है कि 6 दफ़ा you kept trying. What was going through your head? Why didn't you give up on Canada?
I don't.
Has anyone ever asked you that? Oh my God!
Question.
You know, people do still ask me that. Just like छोड़ दो, बस. मैंने कहा नहीं, अब तो मैं जाके रहूँगी. Out of spite.
Oh wow!
जाके रहूँगी.
अच्छा, so tell me, how do you guys balance humor? अभी एक severe issue है, rejected visas पाकिस्तान का एक बहुत बड़ा pain point है. No denying that. And जिसकी वजह से लोगों की life भी suffer होती है, भी एक serious issue है. And then you add humor to it. And you're saying it in a very light-hearted way as well. And I think it's so difficult to balance these two things. How have you done it?
देखें, ऐसे situations में balance बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Of course.
And Amtul seen the play. So there is humor, but then you bring it back to reality.
Of course.
So उसमें जो juxtaposition है humor की, I think it's just because it's autobiographical, I just have to be myself.
Exactly.
Nice.
I was going to
And
say
I
that
think
too.
I'm funny.
Yeah. And I think another thing I'll add is like humor comes from honesty.
Yeah.
You know, the humor lies in the truth.
Of course.
Like, so whenever you talk about comedy, you do say that the best comedy comes out of the reality.
The reality.
And the fact that everybody can relate to her story, because as you said, it's the biggest pain point for Pakistanis, especially green passport holders.
Oh my
हम सबके साथ कभी ना कभी ये हो चुका है. So I feel कि the fact कि ये story ऐसी है कि सब relate कर सकते हैं.
Yeah.
तो वही से relatability से humor आता है. That, as she said, she keeps bringing back to the seriousness
of it. And I'm having such a lovely time with these lovely ladies as well. In fact, you know, Almitra was just telling me कि इस show की और इस theatre की ending change होती रहती है. So how does that happen? Ending कैसे change हो रही है?
So because it is autobiographical, और क्योंकि मैं
अभी भी change हो रही हूँ.
हाँ, मैं change हो रही हूँ, पर मैं I'm traveling every place, right? So the ending keeps changing.
How lovely.
And
लोगों को नई नई feeling मिलती है हर दफा.
और मुझे भी. I get it every time.
Very well pointed out.
You know, I feel it every time. क्योंकि जब ending change होती है, and the good thing about doing it in Karachi, which is home ground, is I feel now finally that I have come full circle.
Yay, we have found home.
We have found home.
Yeah.
And may this feel like home, and may you be just as welcomed and loved over here. Thank you so much for being on the show. And I'd be more than happy to make this place even more homely for you whenever you feel. Right? Until now for you. Same question.
What was the question?
That is a very good question. It was about the play. It's the end. It's the end of the show. Any ending message you want to give about the show that next weekend हो रहा है?
जी बिल्कुल. I think ये एक बहुत ही relatable show है.
Yeah.
Everybody will enjoy it. Everybody will love it. Especially music is spectacular. We have like 7 to 8 songs in it. आधे English में है, आधे उर्दू में है. हर song का अलग flavor है. People will really like it. It's a very intimate setting. बहुत interactive है. तो आप like बहुत ही घरेलू, fun, close माहौल होगा तो people will have a lot of fun. And I feel like the fact it's a one woman's journey, it's so empowering to see for other women also. So औरतें ज़रूर आए और देखें कि कैसे दूसरी औरतें पाकिस्तान में अपनी लाइफ बना रही है, अपनी जर्नी जी रही है।
और मर्दों को भी लाएं कि ताकि उनको भी समझ आए कि जीने दें औरतों को।
Exactly, और मर्दों को भी लाएं because everybody will learn something, everybody will relate to it, you'll laugh, you'll cry.
And it's a whole bag of emotions. Lovely. I'm wishing you guys both all the best for the show.
Thank you.
And all the best for the theatre and in your individual careers in life as well. Thank you for being on the show. It was an absolute pleasure.